Elon Musk asks a judge to block SEC subpoena over tweets on Tesla stock sales. So this is old. An old case, which I guess there's an update on. This was back in 2018. Or no, he's saying an agreement back in 2018 hinders his free speech rights. Musk claims he was forced into deal to protect Tesla finance. This was back, he said 420 financing secured. He said that Tesla was going to go private. Is that the one we're talking about here?
Yeah, but from what I understand, this is this is the story about him asking the judge not to do certain things. I don't know the full story, so we should read ahead.
Oh, is this your story, Mo? You submitted this one?
Yeah, I just read the headline. I was like,
that's good for you.
interesting.
No, I like the... see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Little of a lot.
Well, there you go.
Tesla chief executive Elon asked the judge to end the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's oversight of his Twitter. Oh, this is when they came in and said, this is too dangerous.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to need some checks and balances system for this guy's Twitter account. He's saying he's being crazy over there. He claims it is being used to trample his free speech rights. Musk also asked the judge to block an SEC subpoena for documents relating to the review of his tweets and his sale of stock and options. The SEC is investigating whether Musk and his brother Kimball violated securities laws when selling shares. And the scrutiny is wild on this kind of thing. Mm-hmm. Every time you're trying to sell shares, liquidate, move money around, when you can go on Twitter and just move mountains,
billions,
when it comes to influence, and then it can have a personal effect and impact on you. Woo! Good luck. Tesla pledged to institute oversight of his Twitter posts and other communications. So I guess that deal is still ongoing right now. That his tweets still have to go through some scrutiny. That Tesla has to have some oversight over his personal tweets.
Right.
Which means he can't really tweet them right away, I guess. And if he wants the judge to retract it, it must also mean that there's been certain tweets he wanted to send.
And he can't.
Which
the lawyers
the oversight, the committee lawyers, whoever they are, have said nope. He must have like a buffer. He pre-submits his tweets.
Yeah, schedules them.
And then they're like, yes, no. Yeah, that would suck. That would really suck. Yeah. So anyway, I guess he's asking to have that reversed so he can get back to the full Twitter freedom.